Andrew Bean here from Developer Life. In this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to find the minimum lot size, the council, and also the building height of your property in New South Wales. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to go to New South Wales Planning Portal. Type that into Google. And then you can see what comes up. If you want to, you can just hit the e-planner down the bottom here, the e-planning down the bottom here, or you can go to the main website. We'll just go to the main website for the purpose of this video. You can see here it says New South Wales Planning Portal. And all we need to do here is go down to the Find a Property on the right hand side. And the next thing we need to do is put in the address of the property that you want to search. So I'll just put in an address of a property that I've been having a look at recently. 42 Anderson Concord. I'm going to look for Concord. There it is. Now the properties come up and we can see here just on the map it says that it's R2 already, and here's the minimum lot size. So the lot size for this area is 450 in this council. The zoning you can see there is R2, low density residential. And you can double check your council, Canada Bay Local Environmental. And also the building height, 8.5 meters. Now this website's really good for having a look at the other kind of zones that are around you as well. You can zoom in and you can zoom out and just see what's around. Okay, if this video was helpful, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.